The ABC 15 investigators learning about a huge spike in COVID-19 at a detention center in Eloy. 20 cases last week to 132 this week. That number confirmed by ICE officials, who also say they are investigating the death of a corrections officer who may have died from complications of the virus. ABC 15 investigator Melissa Blasius speaking with families concerned about loved ones locked up inside.
I'm in this situation and I'm having to hear this stuff and knowing my wife's in there and there's nothing I can do.
It's been almost 8 months since Felicia Gutierrez's wife was arrested by immigration on her way to work near Tucson. She was transferred to the Eloy Detention Center, one of the ICE facilities most affected by coronavirus in the country.
They didn't get a death sentence, you know.
The couple moved to Arizona less than a year ago from the Midwest. They plan to retire here, closer to the Mexican border.
To be able to get medicines from Mexico because it costs me thousands of dollars every month for my medication.
Her wife now faces a possible deportation. And to make matters worse, Felicia says she found out through her wife that one of her correctional officers had just died of coronavirus. CoreCivic, the private company that runs the Eloy Detention Center, confirming an officer at the Eloy Detention Center died of COVID-19 related issues. In a statement, a company spokesperson said the officer's last day at the detention center was June 7th.
It's like I know my wife's going to die in there.
There were about 20 detainees with coronavirus in Eloy as of last week. Now it's over 100 in less than 5 days. For immigration lawyer Cherie Wright, that's not surprising.
It's been going on. I just think that they weren't releasing the actual numbers.
ICE releasing a statement to us, which says in part, ICE healthcare workers at the Eloy Detention Center last week tested several detainees as part of continuing efforts to test those who are asymptomatic and did not show symptoms of COVID-19. As a result of these increased efforts, more cases have been identified.
Doesn't make sense. Some of the individuals just got caught driving without a license and they're still detained. Release them, parole them out so they can address their charges in Phoenix.
I don't know what I could do for her.
Her biggest fear, that COVID-19 will get to her wife before she gets a chance to fight her case in front of a judge. In Phoenix, I'm investigator Melissa Blasius, ABC 15 Arizona.